Good morning children, welcome to my class. So we were discussing about lesson 7, playing every day. Here we are talking about a boy whose name is Ajit, who loves playing video games, and his parents and grandfather is very upset about it. Okay, so let us go ahead. This is page number 93. Okay. Oh, we were a group of 4 boys from the same locality. Now Ajit wanted to know more about his grandfather, what he used to do, with whom he used to play. Okay. Oh, we were a group of 4 boys. Now grandfather is answering, okay, that we were a group of 4 boys from the same locality. Locality means from the same area. We would decide what to play a day in advance. Means before one day, they used to decide what to play. We fought a lot too. They used to have fighting when we are small. When you are also small with your friends, you have a lot of fighting, isn't it? Monu just could not accept defeat in any game. Monu was one boy who could not accept defeat in any game. He only wanted to win. If he would lose, he would become very angry. He would fight. Rakesh was a great batsman. Okay, so here you see we are talking about Monu. Now Rakesh, he was a very great batsman. None of us could bowl him out. Very good cricketer he was. Murari loved football. Murari, another friend. Okay, Monu, Rakesh, now Murari. He loved football. So every week we ended up playing football more than any other sport. So most they used to play football. Said grandpa laughing. See, now grandpa is recalling his childhood days. Okay. Grandpa, what was your favorite sport? Ajit is asking his grandfather that what was his favorite sport. My favorite sport was badminton. Grandfather loved playing badminton. Ajit, I played for my school in inter-school competitions. So his grandfather has represented his school in the inter-school competitions. I also played in college. He loved badminton. Ajit's grandfather loved playing badminton. Wow, I never knew you would play badminton. But tell me grandpa, wouldn't you feel tired after playing for so long? Now Ajit is questioning his grandfather that you would play for so long. Weren't you tired? Okay. I feel tired after I play with my friends in the park. Ajit is saying when I play with my friends in the park, I really feel very tired. That's because you don't play every day. See, playing every day, a fitness comes in your body. You become healthy, you become fit. Okay, suddenly one day you go to play, you will feel tired. Once you play outdoor games every day, your stamina will increase and you will feel fine. What is the meaning of stamina? Energy to work hard for a long time. If you play outside, you play in the sun. Okay, you play in the evenings, your stamina will increase. Okay, so we were discussing about Ajit. Okay, that grandfather is explaining to him that once you start playing outside every day, you play in the sun, you play in the evening, nothing happens. What happens? Your stamina increases. Actually, when you have school in the morning, you cannot play in the morning. You have to play in the evening, and evening is the best time for playing. After going from school, okay, taking your lunch, doing your homework, you can go and play outside in the evenings. That's a very good time. Okay. So you see, yeah, I enjoyed playing outdoor games so much that when I was sick, I'm not allowed to go out and play. I would feel upset. So here grandfather is saying that we used to go to play. When he was small, he used to go to play every day. And when he was sick and he was not allowed to go, his parents would not allow him to go, he would feel very upset. Okay, grandpa, why is playing every day so important? Now this question is very important, that is playing very important every day? You should play outside. You should do any physical activity. You should play outside, outdoor games every day. Oh, he is asking, Ajit is asking his grandpa, when we play every day, we exercise our body. Grandfather is saying when we play every day outside, we exercise our body. Okay, our bodies are built in such a way that we need to exercise them so that they do not become fat. Now you see most of the children, small children are becoming fat. They are becoming obese. Why? Because they are sitting at a place, they are playing video games, mobile games, eating lot of packet foods which are not good for your health. And in return what you get? You become fat. You become obese. So what happens when you exercise? You become fit, you become healthy, your stamina increases, you have concentration. Okay. So all these things, if you play, your body gets exercise. Okay. So you see here, playing also teaches us a lot of other things, isn't it? When you play with your friends, you learn cooperation, teamwork, all these things are also there. When you make Bittu your team captain, it is his responsibility to manage. See, now his grandfather is saying, when you make Bittu your team captain, maybe Bittu is the name of a boy, it is his responsibility to manage the team. Whose responsibility it is to manage the team? It is the responsibility of the captain, who is the captain of the team, to manage the team. When you play as part of the team, you have to think about the whole team and not only about yourself. When you are playing in a team, you have to think about the whole team and not only about yourself, isn't it? When you see our cricketers are playing cricket, they represent our country. They think about our country. They don't think about only themselves, isn't it? So you learn how to manage time. You learn how can you manage time, how can you manage others also. You also learn how to support one another, how to help one another, how to support one another, how to cooperate with one another. Okay children, today we'll keep till here. In the next class we shall continue. This is a very nice story. Please read it and try to get some good things from this story. Thank you.